Did you have to use Excel to solve any of these problems?
No.
I did it. I did them all on paper. Although they showed that on the lesson, it looked really interesting, but I didn't see that it was needed for any of these. So I got a calculator with bigger numbers and bigger buttons because the other one was driving me crazy. I'll show you this. Okay. This is the old one with the little tiny buttons. It's like, here's my finger. And this is the new one with the big buttons. Yeah!
Yeah, that one's nicer.
It, the one with the little buttons cost a whole lot more than the one with the big buttons, but for my purposes, it's better.
Yeah.
Alrighty. You ready to do the group channel lesson 17?
Yeah.
Okay, let me put on that page. Alright. On some of these, if you got the first question right, then the next three you get right. But if you got the first one wrong, the next three you'll be wrong too. So
Yeah.
the wrong. Okay, so 1 and 2 are gimmies. Number 3, simulation proportion symbol. The third one?
Yeah, that's what I put.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then I said true for question 4.
I did too.
Yeah.
I did true for number 5 as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For 6, I got 0.
The only difference between the two is that the one with the confidence interval, you use P, and for the hypothesis, no, I did it backwards. One for the confidence, use the P hat, and for the hypothesis test, the P. Did I do it backwards?
Mm-hmm.
Well, anyway, they both passed, so. Put the issue down further on another question, though. Number 6. I got 0.750.
Yeah, me too.
I got 0.110 for 7.
What was what was your answer again?
0.110.
All right, so that's the margin of error.
Yeah.
What about what? So that's plus or minus 1.96. And what did you use for the values under the square root? 0.75 and 60?
Yeah.
Man, I need to redo my calculations. Okay. I didn't get that at all. Let me just write that down. Redo. Okay. So that's minus 0.75 minus 11 and then plus.
Yeah.
And then
So that's first one is 0.64.
Mm-hmm.
And then
And number 9 is 0.86.
And then for 10, I said decrease.
I said that too.
I did too.
And then for 11, I said 20.
Yeah.
Me too.
What I got?
For 12, I said 100.
Yep.
Yes.
For 13, I said true.
Yeah, that's what I said.
14, 0.475.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I got.
15, negative 2.282.
That's what I
Yeah.
got.
Yeah. Okay. And then 16 say 0.11. I'll agree. Any questions?
Yeah,
Then,
that's fine. And
okay.
then 17, you reject the
Yeah.
no.
Mm-hmm.
And then fourth answer?
Yeah.
That's what I
All right. Any questions? I feel good. Oh, I got one wrong.
Which one?
Oh, 16?
Um. mm, which one did you get wrong? 16? Yeah.
Yeah.
You too?
011?
Yeah.
That's not one. Let's see.
Oh, is it
I put
0.01?
100. On 16, I put 0.011.
Oh.
I forgot the 0.
Yeah, me too. Okay.
Okay, good. Because I was going to say, I got 100. How did I get 100 and y'all didn't? Okay.
Okay. Let's redo the quiz really fast. So true. True. Then it was the third one. Okay. Yes. So do you guys want to work on the Google Docs?
Yeah, let's go ahead and get it, uh, flushed out and turn it in so he can make his suggestions as soon as possible. Oh, and also on July the 4th, that's a Tuesday, there's, we're going to be having a huge picnic at our house and I'm not going to be available. So I don't know if you want to change the time or to like Monday or
Yeah,
okay?
yeah. Oh, but on Mondays during the day, I'm at school. Oh, okay. So if we do Monday, I can do any time before 11:30. But
Okay.
after I don't get done with school until 5.
I can do the mornings.
You can do the morning.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you guys just want to plan like on, and usually it doesn't take us like that long. So do you guys want to plan on or like 11?
Okay, 11
Oh, just kidding. No, no. Let me wait.
Mountain.
Sorry. It's like every single day my schedule is different. So like I forget at what time that class is. Let me just see. Because I know 2 days a week it's at 11 and the other day it's at 11:30. Um, mm, so is that this upcoming Monday? No? Oh no,
Monday's out.
2 Mondays. So.
Wait, oh,
Hmm.
what's my calendar in the other room?
I don't know where my schedule is.
If you guys wanted to work ahead too, we can always do it that Thursday before,
Yeah,
just during our other meeting.
okay, here it is. So Mondays, yeah, I have school at 11:30. So if you guys want to meet like at 11, that should work for me.
Okay.
Like 11 Mountain time?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Well,
Okay.
thank you. I appreciate that.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Alright, so let's look at the Google Doc. I guess we just want to fill out the form that. So, does everybody fill this out and turn it in separately, or do we? Oh, look at you! I see you filling it out. Put it together and one person does it.
It says,
I
I think
think
one person.
we have to submit it individually, I think, but I'm not sure. I think like one person like does something, but then we all submit that something. Is that right or no?
I don't know.
it says
It says
after you've designated which members are in charge of each step, ask your group leader to submit this document with the names filled up in above. So I think this document just one person does.
Okay. What are your last names? I forgot.
Rainy,
Ray.
INEY. Sorry, no, you had the A right.
Oh,
like
I.
INEY.
yeah, there you
What? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. I'll do the inference and something else, unless you guys wanted that.
go.
Oh.
Is anybody especially talented in PowerPoint?
I
Mm,
I can do
no.
PowerPoint if you want.
I can do it, but I'm not talented.
I'm not even.
It's just gonna be.
Design the study.
Group take action. And
Describe the data.
I'll do you, Debbie. Is that okay? STON.
Yeah.
And Who wants to do the PowerPoint, or should we just all work on it together?
We can work on it together. It shouldn't be too, involved, I wouldn't think.
Yeah.
Just put everyone.
I can just put my name and then we can just.
Okay.
Okay.
You put Lindsay and Debbie. Put it in there too. Yeah. All right. All right. So down. We're going down a little bit. Says that's kind of number one. State your research question in plain English. So we want to do something about the cost of a gallon of whole milk in different areas. Where did I go?
Yeah. So
Tell me if you want to change this.
where are you from again, Debbie?
South Texas.
Okay.
We're good.
Okay.
I would just suggest is a gallon of milk is the same in different towns. The gallon of whole milk
Alright.
is the same in different towns. I don't know if you want us to be more specific than different towns. What do you think? No? Yay?
We can be more specific.
Should we, or should we just leave it? I don't know.
I don't know. I think this is probably part of the evaluation the teacher's going to do.
Okay.
So the population we're studying is the population the milk or the regions?
No, that's gonna be the region.
Yeah.
So we could say like
Rexburg, Idaho Falls, and
Idaho Falls, Rigby, and then Debbie's town, I guess.
What's your town called, Debbie?
Pearland,
How you spell
like the
that?
fruit. Pearland. Yeah, that's it.
Let's do our answers in bold, yeah?
What now?
We're just gonna bold the answers.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, I like that.
Not percent of whole.
Yeah, whole milk. Just because it's
And then should we just go like that?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
now. I have a question.
Mm-hmm.
Say I go to the Kroger here, and there's big name brand like, dairy, whatever that is, I don't know. And then there's the Kroger brand, and you go to Target or Walmart, and they're their store brand, and they may have the same uh, big name brand there, like Foremost or whatever the dairy is. You do we Are we going to make a distinction between the same brand at two different stores, or I don't know. I'm not stating this very well. Do you kind of get what I'm asking? We're going to go by the brand of the milk or the store?
I think we should just go by the store.
Okay, that's good with me.
Like, so if we go to Kroger, we'll just look at the Kroger whole milk, or then we go to Target, the Target whole milk.
Oh, I think we should do like more than that because we're gonna need a lot of samples, and like if not, it would be because like there's not a lot of stores like for example here in Rexburg, so then Lindsay would like just end up with like 3 samples of milk, if that makes sense. Or like if she goes to a gas station, they won't have like their own milk, if that makes sense, you know? So I
Right.
think we should just like be thinking about just in general like whole milk prices, like doesn't matter what brand or like what store, just gathering that data.
Okay. I think that's good.
We're collecting the data. We'll go ahead and note what store and the brand, but it may not be something that we include in our data.
Yeah.
Go ahead and collect it, and then it may be one of those things we're just not going to use. I don't know.
That'll be good. We can have it just in case.
Yeah.
Or something.
Okay, so I don't mean to make it complicated. I'm one of those people that can't sort things into big and little and yellow and red, or is it little and red or little and yellow? Mess. Easily distracted, I guess. All right, so we're going to do that. I agree that test is correct. Okay. Which sampling method are we going to use?
Random. So I was thinking then we should like randomly select the stores within the city.
I think that that's somewhat impossible. I'm not saying it's like the stores. There's not that many stores.
Yeah, I think that'll be hard enough.
I mean, it would probably be more like what were those other two kinds? The stratified and the oh, look, it says so here. If you choose random sample, says it can be difficult to get a true random sample. Okay. I forget what those others.
Okay. Okay, what about if we do random sample, but then we add like anywhere where they sell milk? So like, for example, like for Lindsay, it could be even be like the Crossroads or like the store that it's like in the first floor from the MC, the market one. And then like just randomly like selecting a gas station. You know what I mean? Or like a farm.
Would we have to like list all of the different stores and then like pick them randomly?
Yeah, so you would have to like write down all of the different stores and just pick some of them randomly.
Let me see if I can. What was that, like lesson 1 or 2 that had the different sampling? I feel like it's a good idea, but the way we word it, how we're going to sample it, is going to be pretty important in it getting approved. Okay. Oh, okay. Cluster sample. All items in one or more randomly selected clusters or blocks.
Okay, this is my idea.
Okay.
This is what I wrote, but like on a separate sheet of paper. Each one of the team members will go to at least 10 different locations to collect milk prices. Since our physical locations are randomly placed throughout the cities in which we live, we will add to the randomness of the sampling by creating a list of stores that sell gallons of whole milk and then assign them all a number. We will then use a random number generator to select where to get the prices from.
Okay.
Works for me.
I mean, it sounds a little tedious, but I think it might make the teacher happy.
Okay.
We can only say no, right?
Yeah.
Or maybe just give us a little insight on it. Yeah, I like that.
Okay. I'll write that down. Copy and paste it for 9. We'll go to at least 10 different locations. Collect the milk prices.
So on number 8, are we going to call this
I think random sampling.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah, because I think this is like what it's best for our study. I mean, not that maybe not might not be best, but it's like easiest maybe. I mean, if the teacher says no, then we can just figure something else.
Okay, so so you just want to put random sample on.
Please review. If you choose, please describe. Well, we have to describe in detail. So I guess we can repeat a little bit of what on number 9 says. So we'll do random sampling. Well, each one.
Yeah, so I have
But
6 burritos, so
team
I can go for like 2 or 3 at the same time.
Well,
Got too many windows open.
Sorry, cockroach.
I think it may border on a convenient sample, but we'll see what he says. Doesn't hurt.
Do you guys want like these snickerdoodles? They're actually mine. You want them?
yes.
Alright. Here, I'll just leave it out for you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Is that everything?
I think we should also mention about the QQ plot.
Well, that's kind of odd.
And I also do have snickerdoodles over there.
Don't you get one when you do a
Yeah,
ANOVA?
so I also have like the snickerdoodles that I can do.
Yeah, but I mean, like, we should write down about it.
Okay.
So we could say that, like, the ANOVA statistical method requires that the data are normally distributed in each group, and then we can check that by creating a QQ plot for each of like the group members' data,
Oh, yeah.
like separately.
And
Okay. I like
it
that.
was so small. Like it was like, do you have like a mechanical pencil?
You used to. Remember you took a bunch of those in the pocket?
Okay.
Yeah, I still do that. Well, not right now, but. Oh wait.
Who wants to write that down? What I just said.
I would write something like
Go for it.
smaller than this. And I was able to do it because like I had like,
Yeah.
a mechanical pencil. And then, like, yeah, it was like so small.
Is it really noisy, guys? Should I go somewhere else?
My teacher, even he couldn't read it. So
He's like,
he's like,
Can you guys hear
I
me
have to
still?
hold it up to here
Yeah, he's talking about
to
cooking.
find this CD.
Yeah, my roommates just got home.
And he's like, did you
And
put,
her
did you put,
boyfriend.
like everything you learned in class on this note card? And it's like, of
Okay.
course he was like, no.
yay.
Yep, I definitely aced those tests.
Where is it?
Data is normal.
But when I do it for like a math class, it's kind of helps. But still, I don't get like the.
To ensure that the data is normally distributed in each group, and that we can check that by creating a Q. Oh, you already said that. I
Did I
can get one for each of the members. We'll create a queue for the data from each town to ensure the data is not distributed. For each of the groups group. Okay, help me out with the spelling. Members data. We'll create to ensure that the data is not distributed. We will also make sure that the variances for each group differences are equal for each group. This will be done by. What was the rule about the variances? Or let me just Google it. Following the rule. I'll just Google it. I did copy paste on the last part, so let's fix it.
It's just a requirement of using the ANOVA test that the variances have to be equal.
The following
I got written down in my notes.
rule will be done by following the rule that this will be done by following. Will be done by using the rule that if the largest variance is less than or equal to variance.
Yeah, that's good. You don't need to.
Then we will conclude that the variances are equal, like that.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Okay.
All right, so we get to skip down to like 18 and 19. 19 is for the teacher, 18 is for us.
So what are we missing?
You just need to sign 18.
What about number 13? Oh, if
13
your
is-
answer yes. Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, we don't have to do that.
Okay, so sign. So just sign and then. So on Google Docs, does it like saves automatically or no?
Yeah, it should.
Okay. So then, who's our group leader? Is it Debbie or Lindsay?
Did we assign one?
Or no one knows?
Um,
Or who wants to submit this?
I can submit it.
Okay.
I'm supposedly making a copy here, but I don't know. All right. This format.
Do you think everything else is good, or should we change something else?
I think
I
this
think
is good.
I guess we should. Yeah. I guess if we're missing something like, yeah, like Debbie's saying, he'll let us know. Okay. Is that it, guys?
I think so.
Okay, perfect. Well, have a good rest of your day. Okay, bye, guys.
Bye.